In this video, we will see how to edit text in Adobe Express and the special AI texture generator. To add text, you can copy it from somewhere else and paste it here, then resize it. Or you can click text and then write the text directly in the design. To edit the text, you need to click on the text in the design, or you can click on the Layers panel on the side if it is hard to select the text directly. But let's see on a clean page what you can do with the AI text effects. The text effect is completely free, and you can do as many tests as you like and generate the text styles. You have some examples here. When you click See More, you can see different examples of designs you can use as is. You don't need to create it yourself from scratch. If you want to create your own effect, you can click the pencil. Now you have a new page. Here you have a box for the prompt for the style of the effect. You also have some other styling options for the AI. Or you can scroll down and get ready-made effects that you can just use as is. But you can also try to get different ones by adding a prompt to the box. You can write something like, "Create tree style effect." Then you have some customization. Each one adds something to the text, and you need to find what combination of prompt and customization gives you a unique style that only you have for the text. You have a list of fonts that work with the AI, but you can also use any font you like. You need to choose it in the main Editing Text tab, and then you choose the thickness of the text. Under that, you can add some tint to make it the color you like, and then choose between styles of image generation. Then click Sketch, and you get 4 options. If you want to get more options, you can click Generate More, and you'll get 4 more options to choose from. What you can't do is use the same effect again on a different text box. So if you want to have the same effect, you need to duplicate the text with the style you like, and then change the text inside it. You can change the font to whatever you like. It will start generating the effect after you change. Just give it a few seconds to do the job. The effects work best on thick fonts. If it doesn't look good, try to make the text bold or change the font to something thicker. You can also start generating again. You can get really cool designs with this image AI. If you want to go back to the text without the effect, you can click Remove Effect and it will go back. Watch this video next, like and subscribe, and I will see you next time.